Is your Maytag washer display blank or unresponsive? This often indicates an electrical or software issue, not a mechanical one. Common causes include power supply problems, a failing control board, UI software glitches, or sensor connection issues. Don't immediately assume the worst. Many fixes are simple. The quickest fix to try is a UI reset. Start by locating your Maytag washer's power cord. Unplug the washer from the power outlet. This disconnects power to the control board. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the control board to fully reset and clears any temporary software glitches that might be causing the blank screen. After waiting, plug the washer back into the power outlet. Check if the display panel returns to normal. The UI reset often resolves blank screen issues by clearing temporary glitches. If a simple unplug doesn't work, try a hard reset. First, unplug the washer from the power outlet completely. Then plug the washer back in while simultaneously pressing the start, pause, and power buttons. Hold these buttons for a few seconds until the display responds. Consult your washer's manual for the exact button combination, as it varies by model. A faulty power supply is often the cause of a blank display screen. Start by checking the power outlet to ensure it's providing consistent electricity. Plug in another device to verify the outlet works properly. Next, inspect the washer's power cord for visible damage such as cuts, frays, or exposed wires that could interrupt power flow to the control panel. Always unplug the washer first for safety. Open the back panel to access internal components. This exposes the power connections and control board area. Inside, check for loose wiring connections to the control board. Look for blown fuses that appear broken or discolored. Also examine the circuit board for any visible damage. Gently reseat any loose connectors on the control board. Ensure all wiring is securely connected to prevent power interruptions that cause blank screens. For smart Maytag washers, especially those with Connect features, outdated firmware can cause UI problems like blank screens. Check if your model supports over-the-air updates through the Maytag app. If an update is available, install it to resolve software bugs. If resets and power checks fail to fix the blank display, the control board itself might be failing. Look for signs like corrosion, burnt components, or bulging capacitors on the board. These images show examples of damaged control boards and panels with corrosion and grime. Replacing the control board can cost $200 to $400, but it's often necessary for older washers. If you're comfortable with electronics, consider a DIY repair. If you're technically inclined, replacing faulty capacitors on the control board can save money and fix blank display issues. First, identify faulty capacitors by looking for bulging tops or leaking fluid. These are common signs of failure that cause display problems. Also check for dust, mold, or corrosion on the board, as these can indicate aging components that need replacement. Purchase replacement capacitors that match the exact voltage and capacitance ratings of the faulty ones to ensure compatibility. Use a soldering iron to desolder the old capacitors and solder in the new ones. Employ anti-static tools to prevent damage and follow online tutorials carefully. While many online tutorials can guide you, proceed with caution as improper handling can cause further damage or pose safety risks. To prevent future display issues, keep your washer's vents clean to avoid overheating, which can degrade the control board and cause failures. For smart washers, utilize predictive diagnostics through the Maytag app, which can detect potential UI issues early and reduce blank screen incidents by up to 30%. The future involves AI-driven self-healing UIs that could eliminate 40 to 50% of display failures by 2030, along with modular designs for easier board swaps, though cybersecurity concerns in smart washers remain a challenge. For now, regular maintenance and prompt repairs are essential. If you're unsure about any fixes, consult a certified appliance repair technician to ensure proper handling and warranty maintenance.